How to create a Discord account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can create a Discord account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a browser, head towards the search bar, then type in discord.com. Enter in your keyboard. That's gonna take you to the official website. Navigate to top right corner, click on login button. Now you'll be taken into login page, but we don't have an account yet, so we will create a new account. Here there is an option as need an account, and on next to that there is a link, register, click on it. Now you'll be taken into sign up prompt. First of all, enter the email address that you want to use for your account. Under that, you have to provide your display name. This is how others see you. You can use special characters and emoji as well. So here I will just type in a display name for my account. Under that, you have to enter your username. You'll have a suggested one here. If not, you can create your own username. Under that, create a password. So once you're done typing your password, now set your date of birth. Once done, click on this terms and agreements, then click on continue. After that, you will need to confirm your identity. So confirm this. Click on verify. So once you're verified, now you have your Discord account. After that, you have to verify your email. For that, you have to open up Gmail. Make sure that you're logged in with the account that you have used. There you will receive an email from the Discord, and all you have to do is verify your email address as well. And then your account is ready to use. That's it. That's how you can create a Discord account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.